Good luck, guys.
1.5 million Scoville units of pure heat.
What the hell is that?
Can I get a whiff?
You don't smell that right now?
Go, 3, 2, 1, go!
No, that's wrong.
Oh, it's getting worse.
Oh, you did it.
Oh, you did it!
My name is Gabe Cruz. We're joined here today with Nigel Jones, Mogely, and the Glo father behind me to take on a very dangerous, very terrible skate challenge, and that is the Jason Park Challenge. Are you ready for my challenge?
I
So,
hear just message your stomach after just not fun.
today we have with us the beautiful, attractive Da Bomb, which is also the final answer. So apparently there are 3 versions of Da Bomb. This is the hottest one. The one they use on Hot Ones is like the most mild of the 3.
I think so, yeah.
And even that one is pretty crazy. So I can take any hot sauce if it's just like a natural sauce. I'll do pretty much any of
So
them.
you're me.
Yeah, but I have never and refused to try extract sauces because to me it's cheating.
It is.
It's just pure pain. But they're gonna do it. So good luck, guys.
I
feel
really
like-
don't want to ruin
I feel like I just looked in Glo's soul and he looked into my soul and we're just like, we might just fly today up and we might transcend. We might just transcend today.
Yeah, so a few weeks ago we did the last dab challenge. All these guys took it like champs.
It's at my house. I use it. It's really good.
It's good, yeah. I like the flavor of it.
Actually really good.
Yeah,
I like the flavor of that one.
And then all the comments were saying the last dab's just not that hot. Try Da Bomb. That's the actual hot one. That's the one we want to see. So
That's the pain.
Why didn't you get the small one first
well,
and then maybe the medium?
you know, I don't know. Well, I did, run this through you. Aussie Dan is my witness. I did say you want to try this one. You were like, yeah,
I have
just get
terrible
it.
memory. I don't remember this. I'm sorry.
I think it's on camera.
Delete it.
But anyway, so yeah, this is it right here. If you want to get a shot of that, Dan, it's literally in a glass
letting you
vial.
open it.
This,
I'm gonna open
this
it. Terrifying.
looks. Wait, can I? It looks like something in Snape's potion drawer at Hogwarts.
I'm gonna start
You know what
warming
that
up.
This.
is? That truth-telling potion.
Quest for the hottest ends here.
Yeah, and let me just read the back too. Tested by. It says tested by an outside laboratory. I like saying it like that.
Laboratory.
This sauce rates at 1.5 million Scoville units of pure heat. Is
See,
this the
that's not
hottest
even bad.
sauce? The final answer is emphatically yes.
So 1.5 is not bad, but I feel like them saying just the pure part.
Yeah.
I feel like that just
Yeah.
takes it to another,
right.
like
I feel
it's
like
a
there's
different
a little
scale.
bit of
It's
Made
the
in
form
the
of a
USA.
Scovilius.
Caution, not for children. Sell to people 21 and over.
Can I just smell it though?
Oh my God! What the hell is that?
Can I get a whiff?
You don't smell that right now?
Oh nah, homie.
This is like some scientific.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no! No, dog! No! That's not.
Can I see?
I'll never say no, but that's a no. Yo! That's
Yo,
not
that-
good, fellas.
Like,
That literally, I can feel it in my sinuses.
Yo, that is not good.
Interesting.
This might really make me throw up, fellas.
Now you're going more than one, huh?
Yo, I'm doing.
is it supposed to be 1 drop?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Probably.
This ain't even sauce.
It's Cobra Venom.
Look at. He literally bought Nesquik.
What did you do?
Try it on its own.
What did you just do?
What'd you do, dude? You got it on your finger?
And I licked it.
How was it?
How are you feeling?
Does it do it?
Hold on. Hold on.
I'm gonna punch myself in the face and send it.
Hold on. Wait. If it doesn't go any worse than this, we.
Go! 3, 2, 1, go!
No, that's wrong.
Oh, it's getting worse. It's getting worse.
Oh, you did it.
he did it! Oh, he did it! Don't throw up! I might throw up. Where's he going? Wait! No, in here! What are you doing?
Okay. Oh yeah, it tastes like chemically.
Nigel, how are you feeling? You gotta tell me everything here.
There's no sauce flavor.
Yeah.
Like, there's no flavor.
It's all
literally
just
just pain.
Oh, it hurts.
Did he just throw?
There's no way I'm ever doing this my entire life.
If I was not in the hospital this week, I would try it. But
Is that your milk? Oh my god!
So you just play skate?
This was the worst idea we've ever had in our entire life.
There's like a sharp pain on the like one spot on my tongue where it hit. I think when I was chewing it, all the sauce was just in one area. Like a fourth of my tongue maybe is feeling kind of crazy.
How is it compared to other natural hot sauces you've
I just
had?
almost threw up though because it hit my stomach.
Yeah, it's really bad. I mean, it's bad for sure. It's bad. It hurts. I think I was like prepping. My friend in Hawaii has a lot of hot sauces, so. Oh, he's full on puking. That's disgusting. Like last dab XXX.
There's nothing.
Oh,
It's enjoyable.
Really?
it has a
Compared
good
to this?
flavor, but it
It's
still hurts. It still hurt me. Last dab XXX still hurt me for sure. But this one's like, there's no pleasure. It's just no flavor, no pleasure. Just like intent, like straight pain. It's definitely, it's not good.
Wait, now I'm like curious to see what the normal Da Bomb is compared to this.
Oh, ain't nothing.
This one hurts. There's definitely pain in me.
I feel bad.
No, I mean,
didn't,
what?
like-
No, whatever. We knew what we were doing.
It just made me throw up.
Let's play skate then. Now that you.
Yeah, sure. Are we're all playing skate though, right?
I don't think he's gonna be able to.
Rock. All right.
I know it's real because the first attempt he didn't even say what he was gonna do.
Okay.
Be nice with our tricks.
Okay.
I think Mowgli's taking it better than anyone I thought was gonna take it.
He's landing everything. I wasn't even supposed to be in this video. I said before this.
I love this because he really said I'm not gonna be in this video.
I said I'm not gonna be in this video.
Mowgli is just, he's lost like
Now I might have to
8 out of the
do it
10 games of skate he's played.
This only happened because curiosity killed the cat.
I saw him do it. I was like, I want to try it, and now I'm reeled in this game of skate. Oh my gosh. Stop landing everything. Oh, please land it. Oh. Good? Good. No!
Okay, real quick. I want it known. I put a very reasonable amount on the chip, and then Glo said, wait, I'm gonna add a little bit more. And then he put some more. So, hey,
Let me get my water.
I put exactly the same amount as Nigel. It's all good. This is for all of you out there.
I only put you should have seen how much Gabe put
It
on
was
there.
the same amount as Nigel's.
But look at that, he's a champ. He's the people's champion.
Your turn.
He's the people's champion right there. We all love him. We all know Mogely is the real deal. He ate it without even complaining. I was complaining and I didn't even have to eat it. So, good job, Mogely. You're a great man. I was so scared that morning.
It's so dry.
That was beautiful. I've never been that scared playing a game of skate.
It is hot on the tongue. Oh my gosh.
How's it feel?
You know whenever you hit a cactus
What?
and you're just trying to pick out the needle out of your body or whatever?
You know, just every time you hit a cactus. Duh.
To everyone that did this challenge, a huge props to you. Thank you for providing entertainment for the thousands of people who are gonna watch this video. And for the thousands of people who are watching this video, make sure that you leave a nice supportive comment right down there for Mogely, for Glo, for Nigel, for Jason Park, all of these guys. Put their bodies on the line, quite literally, and they got stung.
You got bit.
For the lead.
This is for all the little people because my tongue is burning insanely hot. Please never do this to your friends. You can go like and subscribe, leave a comment with your comments down below. Videos on your left side. Don't ever do this, cause I feel like I don't ever want to eat chili again.
Is that all?
I'm in pain.